Hey, what's up? This is my bike check. Yeah, it's my bike. Bars are stock fit 2010 bars. I like them. Animal Edwin grips with animal bar ends. Fit down those stem gold. Fork is a fit stock fork. FAF 2.25 tire in the front with red wall, black sheep red rim. My frame is a Fit Park 1 2010 frame, pretty strong, like it. Sprocket is 23 tooth fit aluminum sprocket. Welgo plastic pedals, stock cranks. My seat is a Fit Pivotal. It's a light seat. Got like suede material, kind of. Pretty comfy. It's a nice seat overall. I like it. Pretty slim, with a Fit aluminum seat post, red. Back tire is an Odyssey Trail. Back rim is Alienation. Comes with the bike. It's really chrome, I guess, now since my brakes, but I took them off. That's pretty much it. I'm putting this tire on tomorrow. I didn't have time today, so put that on tomorrow, I guess. Fit FAF 2.25. And this is Fullerton Co., and that's my bike check.